Good morning, students. Myself Komal Valde from Zoology section of the college RBNB College, Sri Rampur. Today we discussed about the topic from the chapter Reproduction in Lower and Higher Animals. The topic is gametogenesis. We know that gametogenesis means the formation of gametes is known as the gametogenesis. The formation of gametes takes place in the gonad and in the sexual reproducing animals. So, in the male gonad testis, there is the process which is known as the spermatogenesis, and in female gonad means in the ovary, the gametogenesis process is known as the oogenesis. Okay, so today we start our topic gametogenesis means the production and development of the gamete in the gonad, that is known as the gametogenesis. Male gamete is known as sperm and female gamete is known as the egg or ovum. So we move on our topic spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis means the formation of male gamete, or we can say that the formation of sperm or spermatozoa which takes place inside the male gonad, that is takes place inside the testes or carried out in the testis, that is known as the spermatogenesis. This process is being the secretion of FSH, that is the follicular stimulating hormone, is induced the process spermatogenesis, and the spermatogenesis is start means the spermatogenesis or the formation of sperm is carried out from the primordial germinal cells, or we can say that the primary germinal cells. So in spermatogenesis it include, or the process of spermatogenesis is divided into three phases. First one is the multiplication phase, second one growth phase, and third one is the maturation phase. So in the multiplication phase, the primordial cells are by repeated mitotic division or repeated mitosis, it form two diploid cell, that is two diploid cell. Again second mitotic division takes place, means the process of the multiplication is repeated mitotic division is carried out with repeated mitotic division. There is the division of mitosis in two in number. First, from the primary germinal cell or primordial cell, it form two cells, and from the two cells it form again the second mitotic division and form the spermatogonia. In the multiplication phase, from the primordial follicle cell or primordial cell, it form the spermatogonia. It is diploid in number, and spermatogonia is also diploid in number. Diploid in number means the total chromosome number is 46 in the spermatogonia. So in the multiplication phase, large number of the spermatogonia is formed, and from that large number of the spermatogonia, only few are growth in size. They stop their division. Some of the spermatogonia are stop their division and form in size, means it develop in the size, and this size increases, and this phase is known as the growth phase. Some spermatogonia stop their division and develop into size. It increase in the size due to accumulation of food. Due to accumulation of food, the spermatogonia form primary spermatocyte. The size of that primary spermatocyte is larger than the spermatogonia, and this size increases, which known as the growth phase, and it carried out due to the accumulation of food. Then the primary spermatocyte, it is also in diploid in number, means the total 46 chromosomes are present, means that 23 pairs is present in primary spermatocyte. Continues to the growth phase. Continued third phase is the maturation phase. After the growth phase, the primary spermatocyte takes place the third phase, that is the maturation phase, in which meiotic division takes place from the diploid spermatocyte. In maturation phase, the formation of haploid spermatocyte, that is known as the secondary spermatocyte, and the secondary spermatocyte is haploid in nature. The secondary spermatocyte in haploid in nature. From the secondary spermatocyte, again reduction division takes place, and it form from the single secondary spermatocyte, it form the two spermatids. From the secondary spermatocyte, it form the spermatids, and spermatids also haploid in number. It is the formation from secondary spermatocyte. It is again haploid in number, means only 23 chromosomes are present in the spermatids. Spermatids is round in shape. It is non-motile. The spermatids are the non-motile, non-functional cell which produce in the process of spermatogenesis. And this non-functional, non-motile, rounded spermatid cell are formed, or we can say that transform into a functional elongated cell, that is the sperm or spermatozoa. And this process of the formation of sperm or formation of spermatozoa from the spermatids is known as spermiogenesis. This process is known as the spermiogenesis. The process is known as the spermiogenesis, and the whole process, which include multiplication phase, growth phase, maturation phase, and last one is the spermiogenesis phase. We can say that the total 4 phases, or these 3 phases with spermiogenesis, and lastly the production is formed, that is the spermatozoa or sperm. And here the process of spermatogenesis is over. Again the sperm is, that is the spermatogenesis, in which formation of sperm takes place, and from that spermiogenesis process the spermatids transform into the functional male gamete, that is sperm. These sperms are developed inside the testes, and it is present in the seminal vesicle. It is present in the groups in seminal vesicle, and it is attached by itself or attached by one another, and attached, the head of the sperm is attached to the Sertoli cell of seminal vesicles, and the group, or we can say that the bunches of the sperm are formed inside the seminiferous tubule of testes. So here the formation of sperm takes place. Now we move on our next topic, that is the structure of sperm. The structure of sperm, it is the male gamete. Sperm is also known as spermatozoa. Sperm, it is also known as spermatozoa. It is the male gamete. In the process of spermatogenesis, formation of sperm or spermatozoa, in which it elongated structure is formed, that is the sperm. Sperm has 3 parts. Mainly The structure of sperm is divided into head. It is divided into head. Now, it is the structure of sperm. The uppermost side of the sperm, that is the head, which is oval, rounded in shape, It has two parts. There is the cap-like projection, cap-like part, or we can say that cap-like organ or cell is present inside the head of the sperm. That cap-like projection is known as the acrosome. It is the acrosome. The acrosome helps in the movement of sperm at the time of fertilization. At the time of fertilization, the acrosome helps and increase the movement of the sperm. Again, there is a nucleus is present. It is oval in structure. The head of the sperm consists acrosome as well as nucleus. Next to the head, there is thin and small portion. It is neck region. It is smallest part of the sperm, in which the neck, there is the two centrioles are present. Two centriole, proximal centriole and distal centriole. Two centrioles are present in the neck region. Below the neck region, there is middle piece. There is the middle piece. The middle piece of the sperm consists the coil of the mitochondria. It consists the spiral coil, that is mitochondria, which provide the energy of the sperm for the movement, as well as it provide energy to the sperm. It is elongated in nature. The middle piece is longest and it forms the axial filament. The middle piece of the sperm is formed axial filament, and this axial filament is derived from the distal centriole. The axial filament is formed from the distal centriole, and this axial filament is present in the tail part of the sperm also. The last part or third part of the sperm or spermatozoa is the tail. The maximum part of the sperm or male gamete is the tail. Tail is end part of the sperm. The tail consists axial filament, which is derived from the distal centriole. It's from the distal centriole till the end piece. The tail has two parts. The protoplasmic membrane is covered at the one part and it is absent in the another part, that is known as the main piece and end piece respectively. The protoplasmic membrane is covered to the axial filament. That part of the tail is known as the main piece, and the protoplasmic membrane is absent in the remaining tail part. That part is known as the end piece, and it is the structure of sperm. Here, head, neck, middle piece and the tail. It is the male gamete, which is after the process of spermatogenesis is formed, and it is ready for the fertilization, and the fertilization occurs fertilization occurs by fusion of male gamete and female gamete. So female gamete is formed in the female gonad, that is the ovary, and the process of formation of female gamete is known as the oogenesis.